everyone, how are you today? I hope you are all doing well. Let me introduce myself. My name is Rahma Amelia and my ID number is 26. Today we are going to learn about international economic cooperation. After this lesson, you are expanded to ability to understand the definition of international economic cooperation, identify the benefit of international economic cooperation, explain the objective of international economic cooperation, explain the form of international economic cooperation. So, by the end of this lesson, you will have a clear understanding of the countries cooperate in the economic field. First, let's talk about the definition. International economic cooperation is a form of collaboration in the economic field between countries that provide us mutual benefit. It means countries work together to help each other in economic activities, such as trade, investment, of development. Now, let's move to benefits. There are several benefits of international economic cooperation: increasing national income, maintaining domestic price stability, expanding employment opportunities, accelerating national development, technology transfer. For example, when a country export goods, it can increasing its income. Also, cooperation allows countries to share technology, which help development. Why do you think technology transfer is important to developing countries? Please reply in comment section, okay? Next, we will discuss the objective. The objective include meeting domestic needs, improving the economic well-being of the population, establishing trade relations with other countries, promoting national economic growth, fostering diplomatic relations and global stability. So basically, countries cooperate not only for economic reasons, but also to build good relationship with other countries. In your opinion, which objective is the most important? Why? Now, let's talk about the form of international economic cooperation. There are three main forms: bilateral economic cooperation. Bilateral economic cooperation is carried out between two countries with the aim of achieving mutual benefit. An example of bilateral economic cooperation is Indonesia and Japan through IGPA, which facilitates export and import activities between the two countries. Regional economic cooperation. Regional economic cooperation involves several countries within a specific region or area. One example is ASEAN through AFTA, where member countries have low tariff, making products more affordable and boosting trade. Multilateral economic cooperation. This type of cooperation involves many countries for various parts of the world and is not limited to a single region. One example is WTO, where member countries commit to reducing trade barriers, resolving trade disputes, and expanding market opportunities. So, the difference is in how many countries are involved and the space of cooperation. Which one do you think is more effective, bilateral, regional, or multilateral, regional? Let's summary today's lesson. International economic cooperation is important because it helps countries meet their needs, increasing trade and support economic growth. And it can take of bilateral, regional, and multilateral cooperation. That's all for today's lesson. Thank you for your attention. If you have any question, please leave them in comment section. Bye!